cookies do you have?
Hi.
3? 4? Oh my god. Shut up. Don't choke. There's garbage right next to you. You better spit it out if you need to.
Oh my god.
How many is that?
4.
Jeez, oh.
She's got secret storage. She's got secret storage. She can fit another one too. She can fit another one. Five.
Shut up. She's got 5 in there?
Almost.
Oh my god, you're gonna rip your mouth.
She broke it in half.
Now, how many is that now?
Still, that's
I hope
like
you
4 and a
can't
half.
get those out.
4 and a half.
Jaden, I honestly hope that you can't get those out.
That would be funny.
She said I could get more in there than you have secret storage.
Here. I missed 5.
Yeah, so wait, how many does she have in there? She's almost about to have 5.